Hello everyone, myself Aryan Jadhav. I am really excited to share with you a new MS Excel project that I have completed recently. It's called the Sales and Financial Analytics of the Atlic Hardware Company. In this video, I will walk you through the systematic approach that I took to get the key insights from the data and the reports that I have generated. So let's get started. Okay, so let's understand the Atlic company. Atlic is the just like the Dell, Lenovo and HP. It is the hardware company. In Atlic there are three divisions for their products. First is N&S means networking and storage. P&A means peripherals and accessories, and the third is PC means personal computer. In N&S there are two segments: Wi-Fi extender, USB flash drives. In P&A there are 5 to 6 segments: processor, motherboards, internal HDD, batteries, keyboard, mouse, etc. In PC there are three segments: personal desktop, gaming laptop and personal laptop. Okay, so let's see the steps of the project. The first is ETL process. ETL means extract, transform and load process. First I have extracted the data from different CSV files into the Excel files, and then I did the data cleaning to transform the data, and then I have loaded the data in Power Query. The second is data model connection. I established a connection between the dimension table and facts table in the data model of Power Query. Then I used the full power of functions like pivot table and power pivot to generate the insightful reports. Here are the report names that I have generated: top 10 products, division report, top 5 countries, new product expansion, quantity sold rankings, customer net sales performance, market performance versus target, P&L by fiscal year. P&L means profit and loss statement, and fiscal year means financial year. P&L by quarters, P&L for markets. Market is the country, just like the India, USA, Australia. GM percentage by quarters. GM means gross margin. It is the difference between the net sales and the cost of goods sold. It is called the gross margin. So here are the report of the top 10 products that have the highest net sales from 2020 to 2021 with growth percentage. Next is division level report from 2020 to 2021 with growth percentage. Here are the top 5 countries that have highest net sales in 2021. Then I discovered the new products that have introduced in 2021 with their net sales. By the quantity sold, I pointed the top 5 products and bottom 5 products in terms of sold quantity. You can see top 5 products and bottom 5 products. Then I looked into the customer net sales performance, then market performance versus target, then P&L by fiscal year, profit and loss statement. Now you can see that net sales minus COGS is equal to gross margins. COGS, cost of goods sold. Then I broke P&L statement by quarters, and you can see that the sales is high in November and December because there is a festival of Diwali in India, so the net sales is high. Then P&L for markets, then GM percentage by quarters. Thanks for your time and attention everyone. If you have any questions about this project, feel free to reach out.